Hi guys, today I will be talking about the Personal Care Cocoa Butter Skin Lotion with Vitamin E. Helps soothe and relieve extra dry skin. And this is just the 20 fluid ounces, 600 milliliter one. Starting off about this product, it's not that good, guys. I use it very frequently, but if it's my first choice of lotion, it probably wouldn't be. Okay, so how I got introduced to this was I was at the beach one day and they were like asking me like, oh, blah blah blah, do you have lotion? And I realized that I didn't even have my lotion, and so I was like, oh yikes, like what am I gonna use? And so then I had went and asked my friend, I was like, do you guys have any lotion? And she's like, I have this one. And I was like, okay. And so she showed me the lotion that she had, and I was like, oh. And if anybody knows how cocoa butter usually, like, there's only certain types of cocoa butter that I trust because it's really easy to get a very watery, very like water-based cocoa butter. So like I'm very like hesitant to try different cocoa butters, and unfortunately this one was a little watery for my liking, but it does do the job, so that's why I keep going back to it. It says helps soothe and relieve extra dry skin, and I don't doubt that it does. It just doesn't do that for me. My skin literally will probably soak up a whole bottle of Vaseline if I put it on me. And so it doesn't, like, it's not that compatible with my skin, but I feel like for other people whose skin isn't like prone to being dry, I feel like it will work better. I really appreciate though about this product how much comes in it and how little you need to use. The thing about this product is that like I can't keep putting on layers of it because it's just going to be the same thing. So it's like one layer is going to do the same thing for me as just putting multiple layers on. It doesn't really help with the dryness of it. One layer of this is going to be equivalent to me putting on 6 layers of this. Like I said, it just does the same thing. Also too, guys, something else about this product is that oftentimes I would definitely try to like make it worthwhile, and I'll add a little bit of Vaseline or a little different version of lotions with it to try to like make the consistency of the lotion a little different. But be careful doing that, because when you start mixing products, you never know how your skin is going to react. And everything that I've mixed with this product and I've tried to put it on my skin, it just has not, like, it honestly like does not work well with my skin. Like my skin is like negatively reacted to it. My skin bruises easily, and I don't know why, but like when I had mixed the 2 different products with it, my skin when I went out in the sun, my skin would get burned a little bit more than it usually would have. So just be very careful, and that's what any product, you want to make sure that you know what you're putting on your body before you're using it, and you just want to make sure that you're not like gonna harm yourself with anything you're doing. Something else too, guys, that I really, not that this isn't like really a negative thing about it, but I don't like the color of it. I guess the product can't help that, but it just kind of look, I know you guys can't see it right now because I kind of like use that, but you can kind of see at the bottom of it. It's like this yellowish, kind of oldish looking creamish color, and every time I think of like a lotion being like that, the only lotion that I will like use and it's like that type of color is like gold. I'm like, the words are slipping my mind right now, but it's only one type of lotion that I'll use like that. Any other lotion, it just kind of makes me feel like it's not going to be as good as like I would hope it would be. and in this case I was proven right. Although I can say that it's not that expensive. Would I keep using it again? Yes, just because it's convenient to use and it's very economical to use. But is it like that good for your skin? For my skin personally, probably not. But like I said, if your skin doesn't get that dry and it's not like prone to being dry, I would definitely suggest using this. Also too, something else about this too is, oh, here you guys go. You kind of can see it. Something else about this too that I think is a plus is it has vitamin E, and I think that a lot of lotions nowadays aren't really like catering to the vitamins, or not. A lot of lotions that I come across haven't really been putting vitamins in their lotion and stuff, and I think that's something that's very important. Although this one, this lotion probably, even if the vitamins are in there, like, I don't know why I negatively react to this lotion so much, but I personally do. But I just think that's a plus to have vitamin E within this lotion. I do think this lotion is too big to travel with, so if you do plan on traveling with this, you might want to put it in a smaller bottle or a travel bottle. And I don't believe they make these in travel bottles. But like I said, guys, this is the Personal Care Cocoa Butter Skin Lotion. It does have vitamin E in it, and it helps soothe and relieve extra dry skin. And then this is just the 20 fluid ounces, 600 milliliters.